Want to create viral thumbnails using dall-e? Here's a quick, powerful guide to help you stand out on YouTube with AI-generated visuals that grab attention and drive clicks. First of all, open ChatGPT with dall-e. For that, go to ChatGPT Plus and open a new chat. Choose the image generation tool dall-e from the options. Now, use a clear, emotionally triggering prompt. For better prompt, you want to add emotion, context, specify the aspect ratio, and mention ultra-realistic or cinematic lighting for viral quality. Next, you want to run the prompt and pick the most eye-catching image. Download it in high resolution. Use tools like Canva, Photo, or Photoshop to add bold titles. Use red, yellow, or white text. Overlay emojis or arrows for emphasis. Test the thumbnail on your video to see which one performs best in CTR. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.